This video will show you on how to open a demo account on your Tradingview app. So you should first open the Tradingview app and log in or create a free account. And once you're logged in, tap the chart icon at the bottom to open a chart. So where's the chart button right here? Let's see. Let's go to more. After that is that you need to tap at the three dot menu on the upper right corner and select Trading Panel. Scroll down and tap Paper Trading by Tradingview, and this is your demo account. Let's just search it right here. Paper Trading. So there is a lot that's going on right here, and then after that is tap connect, and just like that you're linked to your free paper trading account with $100,000 in virtual funds, no real money involved.